the ORD function. Now let's come to the string repeat function. We already discussed about string repeat function. If you want to repeat any string, any character for a specific number of time, so that will be repeated for you. So I just repeat here the A. If you want to repeat, suppose the dollar sign, I want to repeat the dollar sign for 30 times. So I will execute this. So you will see that now the dollar sign will be repeated for 30 times. So this is the string repeat function. Whatever string you want to repeat. So now dollar sign is repeated for 30 times. Now let's come to the next function, which is the similar text function. Clear? As its name suggests, tell you that how. So similar text function. What this function is going to do, the first two strings you want to compare. So it will compare that the first two strings, are they accurate or not? The first two strings it will compare regarding to the spellings, regarding to the matching. They are matching or not. The percentage tells you how accurate in percents you write as it is. Clear? Here is an example which will tell you that how the program should be written. So I am going to use two names, the username and the attempt. Then I will check both of the strings. Clear? So look at here. I am going to write here. There are two names. The username, I create one variable with the name of user, and username is suppose John. Clear? Or John Carter, that is the name. Now the attempt means the name which you have attempt. I create one variable with the name of attempt. You can use whatever you want to use, but I just used attempt is equal to. Now in attempt I wrote John, and that is Carter. A is missing, or instead of A I wrote E. Clear? So one is the accurate one and one is the second one. You can use this on the password as well, so dynamically, but I'm using it as a static. So now dollar sign, I'm creating one more variable with the name of check. Clear? So check is equal to similar underscore text. Similar text is the function. Now inside that, look at here. Inside that there are three parameters. One will show you the first attempt, the first username. So it will compare the username comma with which, look at here, similar text, a string first, a string second, and float in percentage. It will show you that how many percent you are right and you are wrong. Clear? So I am writing here attempt and comma. I declare here underscore percent is one more variable. Clear? Now I need to display the result. This first will check you the real one. This is the user attempt, and this will show you the percentage. Now I will check that what is the result. So echo check underscore check, dollar sign check, and concatenate it with the line break. Now echo percentage. Percentage will give you a numeric value by default. Percentage, and concatenate it with a blank space, and then again concatenate it with another string, and which will show you that percent symbol correct, that much percent correct. And after that again I'm using, or just inside that I will use line break and line break. Yeah, remove this comment. Save it, and now look at here. The name is John Carter. Attempt is John Carter but with E. It's Carter. So we will check with the help of this function. Look at here. It will compare the first string with the second string and give you the percentage by matching both of them, that how many percentage is accurate, how many percentage. Look at here, 90.90 is accurate. And what is this 10? Let me write here so it will be clear for you. 10. Or let me write it here, that matching. Clear? Now look at here. I do one more mistake. I will use, instead of R, I am using A. Save. Now what are the total numbers of character? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blank space is also correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 characters. Look at here. How many of them are matching? 9 are matching and 2 are wrong. So look at here. It will show you that 9 characters are matching, and it will give you the percentage, that how many percentage it is right or it is wrong. So look at here. It will show you that 9 characters are matching, because 9 are matching and 2 are having the mistakes, not matching. And it will show you that this string is that much, 10 characters are matching. Wait.
Blank space.
Yeah, blank space is also counted. So look at here. John and this. So 5 this one and 5 are matching. C is also matching. And it considered the A also, okay? I'm using here I. Now we will check. Now 90.90% is matching. So we will see that now how much percent is matching. So it will compare the string, similar text. It will compare the text, two text. Are they similar or are they changed? Now 9 characters are matching and 81% is correct. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now let's come to the, so the blank space is counted also as a character. Is it clear? So look at here. In example, it is Bill Gates, and in the user attempt, instead of G he typed B. So there is one character mistake. Clear? So the above script will print 9. Check it. This check will show that how many are matching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 characters and 9 are matching and just B is not matching. So 9 are matching and 1 is not matching. So how many percent is correct? 90% is correct. So this 90% is given to you by the automatically calculated variable percentage. Clear? And if there is a blank space, so that is also one character. Now let's come to the next function. A string replace. A string replace will replace any specific string with the any other one. So that this allow you to replace one string with another. This syntax is string replace, looking for what you are looking for and with which you are changing it to. Clear? and search the text, and in the last match the count for count variable. So it counts how many matches it has found. This criteria is working in your MS Word, Microsoft Word. That you will find a word, you will replace it. So it will show you that how many words you have replaced. Clear? Now, in this example, we are looking for explore and want to replace it with the word explode. Clear? Instead of R, we just by mistake, we just write D. So now I want to again change it to the previous one. So the search for text is the explore function, and looking for explore and changing it to explode. So I will create three variables. I will create three variables. The one is looking for, looking underscore for, clear, is equal to the explore function. This is the value of first variable. Now the second I am writing here, second was search text. Sorry, this was the search text. Search text is the explore function. Search underscore text. Second is look for which, look for explore, look it for explore, and change to or replace. You can use change to or replace to explode. So change to, the value is explode. Clear? Now after this I need the function, this function string replace. I will replace the explore, the value of explore will be here, and I will change the explore to the explode. Clear? And the explore function will be displayed here, and it will match the counts, that how many words are replaced. Look at here. Print the search text and change text. Change text is one more variable, and then after that I use the function. Look at here. Echo underscore dollar sign search text. Display this search text to me and concatenate it. Let me copy this one. Now here after this I need to use the string replace function, str replace function. So str underscore replace function. Clear? This function will have some arguments, some argument fields. So I need to store it in one more variable. So I am defining one more variable, changed underscore text. The text is changed. So in this function I want to change the explore with the explode. Clear? So I'm giving the value, the first parameter. So that is the look for, comma, and I want to change, look at here, string replace search, what you are searching for and with which you are replacing it, and what is your subject, and how many you have changed and how many of them are left. Is it clear? Yeah. So I want to change it with the explode. So explode is saved in the changed, change to, and comma, and what I am searching for. I am searching for the what? The explore function. Clear? Now after this, display me the change text. Changed text echo and semicolon, use the line break, and after this use the semicolon. Save it, and now we will check the result. Clear? So we will check the result, that how it is changed. Look at here. Now this time in the change text, explode will be displayed. Look at here, the explore function. Wait. Okay, look at here. The example, okay. What was the problem? That we were just saving it in another variable, then we were displaying. That was not like that. Look at here. I create 3 variables. The first one is search text. I write explore. Clear? Search text. This will search, explore. How in all the document, this variable will search, explore. Look for. Looking for, explore. Clear? So it will compare that, explore. Now change this explore to what? Explode. I want to change the explore to the explode. R is by mistake. I want to change it with the D. Now print R function. I will tell you about the working of print R function. What is the working of print R? Now string replace is the function. String replace. What I want to replace? I want to replace explore. What is the value of look for? Explore. I want to change the explore with change to with the explode. Clear? And search text, what it will search? It will search the explore for all of the explore. And in the last, it will show me that how many replacements are done. I change 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Clear? Now, so here I wrote replacements and the name of this variable. It will automatically count how many words are changed. Clear? And why I use print R? Because I need to return a value. A value is returned from the string replace function, that how many words are replaced. Now save it and you will execute it. So there was one word with the name of explode, and I want to change it to the explode. So you will see that the new replaced values here, and replacements are how many? 1. Is it clear? So this is used for replace. We will see one more example. In the next example, in this example I am going to create one array. Clear? And I am giving it the name ARY.
Yes, sir.
Clear? ARY or ARR. This is array is equal to, I am writing the word array. Clear? Array is the word. Now inside that I am going to define the components of array. Yes, Yusuf. I am going to define the values of array in double quotation. So first is blue, comma, red, comma, green, comma, black, black. Clear? So these are the values of what? Values of what? Array. Clear? And I want to replace it. I want to replace these values. So blue, red, green, yellow, whatever the values are, I want to replace it. So directly I can give the values as well. I can directly give the values as well. Clear? Now I will write here that print R is a function. Print R, and inside the print R I am writing one more function, nesting the function string replace. Now I want to replace the red with the yellow. Clear? I want to replace the red with the yellow. So I am looking for the red, comma, and I want to replace it with the new value, and new value is yellow, comma, where I will find this red. There must be some location where this red is stored. So that red is stored in the array. So I will use the name of array. A double R. This is array. Now, comma. I need one variable to count that how many replacements are performed. So I am declaring one variable with the name of I. This will count. Clear? Now, display me or print or echo, whatever you want to do. So print that the line break. After that, show me that replacements are done. So I will write here the name of the variable, that is the I. So I replacements are done. If it is 1, 2, 3, whatever replacements. Clear? So first of all, see here what will happen. Save it, and now we will check it. So in the array there is only one red. Look at here. Could you see array, and here it was red. Look at the value. Here it was red in the array, but after the replacement, now instead of red there is yellow. So how many replacements are done? 1. Now I am entering some more values in the array. I am entering comma, again red, comma, again red. So this time 3 red. Okay, so we will see that this time 3 replacements will be performed. Look at here. Look at here. Yellow, yellow, and yellow. So how many replacements are performed? 3. So this is the str replace function, string replace function. Now let's come to the next function, which we use print r. Why I use print r? Because I want to get the value of replacements. 5 replacements, 4 replacements. So this is print return function, not just print. Print and also get the value from the string replacement function. So it will get the value from the string replacement function that how many of the replacements are done. Clear? So it is used to return a parameter. In the array, I replace 3 variables. In this array, red, red, and red. 3 replacements are performed. So this I will return a value by using print r function, and then I print it here. Is it clear? Now let's come to the next function, the date function. You are familiar with the date function. So to print the system date, how to handle the date function in the PHP will be a useful addition to your programming skills. In this and the following section, we will take a look at how the process this will be done. So I'm going to print the today's date. Clear? So this is date, month, and year. So just I will write date. Date is a function. Look at here. You will see a lot of things in the date. Not only just simple date. I will show you a lot of things in the date. So I am creating one variable with the name of date. Clear? Or today. I'm creating today is equal to date function. Inside the date, I am writing day dash month dash year. Now print today, and also concatenate it with the, because I'm going to use a lot of date functions. br, save it. Now look at this today's date. It will show you the system date, but in a proper format, and there are a lot of variables, there are characters to change the date format in your system. So look at here, it is displaying 24, 7, and 17. 24 is the date, 7 is the month, and 17 is the year. Now, yeah, this we discussed. Same slide. Okay, look at here. You can use these commas, and so on. Let me show you. Just simply I'm copying it. Clear? So in between them you can use full quotation, full colon, or you can use the slash. So that will be displayed. So later on I'm going to show you each and everything about in the date, that this date for the different time zones. Clear? So this is the format. Now let's come to the date function. So date characters should be written here. So the following is some list of the date and time characters to use between the round brackets of date. They all are case sensitive, and the syntax you need to remember in the future. Look at here. Day of the week characters for date function in PHP 4.10 and all the rest of the versions. Clear? If you use a small d, so it will show you the day of the month. If you use a capital D, so it will show you the day in the text format. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, what is the day today? Clear? So I'm going to use this. I already used the small d. Now I am using the capital D slash and this one. So I will copy this. No, it's okay. I just left it by myself. Clear? I just left it by myself.
One more thing only.
Yeah. I want to see the date and the day also. What is the day today?
Okay.
So that's why I left it. So today is 24 and it will show you that today is Monday. Automatically it is picking from the system.
Okay.
Look at here. So 24, Monday, 7th is the month and 17 is the year. Now, the next is J. It is like D. It is like date but without 0. Clear? So I'm using here the J function. I'm using, instead of D or with the D, I will use the J function. Clear? Today date is 24. That's why it is not showing me 0. Clear? But I will show you the J. So save it here and look at here. They both are showing me 24. Why? Because today is 24.
Yeah.
So this is D, and this is J. If today was 7,
Yes.
so only 7 will be visible, not 07.
Yes.
Clear? But today is like this will be visible if today the date was 7. Clear? Now the next one, DL. Clear? If you want to display the complete, so you can write the L instead of D. Clear? So let me show you. If you write a small l, so that is lowercase. If you write capital, we will check. So this is the month. So I am writing here that show me sorry, this one. look at here, okay? So why we use the L? For the complete name of the day, okay? I use the D. So D was showing me only MON, that today is Monday. But when you use the L, so it will show you the complete name of the day. Clear? So this was just like the D, but D will show you only the first three characters of today's day. Clear? And L will show you the complete name, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever the day is. Now let's come to the next date function, that is S. Clear? S are the ordinal ending for the day of the month. Clear? Today is 21st, today is 22nd, today is 23rd. So how you will write that in front of the date? Clear? So we will use the S, capital S, okay? So after the date, I am copying it again. So after the date, so today date is 24. So save it. Yes. So wait, it is for month. Yes, ending for the day of the month. Okay, it is for day. So look at here. TH is mentioned, but there we use the L. It should not be L, it should be D. Clear? Write here D or J. So I'm writing here D. So remove this one and save it. And now execute it. So it will show you that today is 24th. Today is 24th of the July. So this TH or ND, these are by default, or RD. Look at here. Today is 24th July. Is it clear? So now let's come to the next one. The next one is W. A small w is value for the day of week. So 0 is Sunday. So what will be 6 is Saturday. Clear? Let me show you. It will count the weeks. Now capital W will count the week number of the year. Let me write the W to show you. So it will today is Monday, so let me write here for Monday that I'm writing here L, so that is Monday, and after that I'm writing W, capital W. Okay, so save it, and now I will execute it. Look at here. 24 is the date. Monday is the day. What is this 30? Let me show you in the calendar. Clear? That today is what, 24. So 30 will be on Sunday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What was mentioned in the slide? Numeric value for day of the week. It will count the week. That 0 is Sunday. Then after 7 days, after a week, what will be the date? Clear? Today is 24th. So after 1 week, what will be the date? Clear? Now let's come to the capital W. Capital W will count that which week is this of the year. Let me show you. So that was the capital W. We use capital W. Okay, sorry, we use the capital W. So capital W will showing you the week of the. So we are in the 30th week. Sorry. Now let's use the small w. So in the same statement, I'm using the small w. Save it. it will show you. How could you predict? Yes. Clear?
Yes.
1 is shown. Why 1 is shown? Because today is what? Monday. And look at your week. So 0 is Sunday. So 1 is Monday. 2 is Tuesday. 3 is Wednesday. And so on. Clear? 7 days a week. So it is like array starting from 0 and ending at 6. Clear? Now let's come to the Z. Z will show you that numeric day of the year. Today is 24th July. So there are total 365 days in a year. So which day is this one? So Z will show you that which day is this one. So I am writing here after the year I am writing Z. That which year, which day is this of the year? Look at here, after 17 you will know that what day is today out of 365. Look at here, today is 204th day of the year. Clear? There are total 365 days. So today is 204. Now let's come to the date function L, Y and Y. Clear? If it is leap years will show you. You know about the leap year? After 4 years, 1 day is incremented in the February.
Yes.
Clear? So if it is leap year, it will give you yes. So yes is 1. If it is no, so 0. So I will use L in the date. /L. Show me that is it leap year or not. No, that comes after 4 years. And why it comes after 4 years? So I will explain that to you as well.
No.
0. This is not leap year. Clear? So it is 0. Now let's come to the Y function. Y will show you the complete year, that which year is this. Till this point I am seeing that it's just 2017. So 17 is mentioned. So I write here
2017.
I write here the capital Y. Capital Y and /small y. So you will see the difference of both of them. So one will be half and the second will be full. 2017 and 17. Is it clear? Now these one. Now let's come to the date functions. Morning or afternoon, AM, PM, capital AM or PM. Clear? So I am writing it in front of this date function. Okay. So look at here. /A/A. Save. Execute it. So you will see the both small am or capital AM. It is for time. So small am and capital AM. G and G for 12-hour formats and for 24-hour formats. Clear? 12-hour formats. So we are not using the time function. So that we will use the time. Clear? So let me write this for you. Look at here. Let me copy this one and paste it here. So in this I am writing that date/month/year/ the capital H/ capital H slash. H is for the ORs. Clear? OR format, okay? So this will show you with the 0 and G will show you no zeros. Clear? And I is for minute and S is for second. So I am using the H and G slash small g slash show me the minutes slash seconds slash A slash capital A. Save it. So OR with zeros, without zeros, minutes and seconds and AM or PM. Maqsad, why you are talking? Look at here. Date, wait. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So it will show you the hours, minutes, each and everything. So for that we use the date function. Okay, now the last slide, okay? Let me finish it. Okay, so now look at here. These are three more very important characters. O, T and R. O is used for GMT. Clear? What is GMT? Greenwich Mean Time. What is Greenwich Mean Time? It is calculated by the Universal Time Usual reference to UTC, and Greenwich is in London, that the Royal Observatory, they are calculating the time. So might be you have seen that while you are doing the settings of your time. So if you use O, this will show you the Greenwich time. If you use T, the time zone of the computer. Clear? And if you use R, so it will show you all the complete format. Clear? So let me use all of them. First, in this, I am using the G, just the G. In the second, okay, I'm using here slash T. Save it. So, sorry, it was O. G was for the save. And I am also using here slash R, just in one line. Save. So O, T and R. O will show you the GMT time, T will show you the computer time zone. Look at here. GMT is this one because we are not following the GMT one. UTC is showing you the system time, from where the system is getting the time. So look at here R. Today is Monday, 24 July, and this is the system time according to this, and GMT is this one. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, so let me know. Yes. The